Okay. We have PMI on Tuesday. Unemployment claims on Thursday. And yeah, that's basically it. Okay. It's not a lot of news this week. I'm not going to be trading this this PMI because usually it doesn't really do anything. Cool. Okay. Let's check poly market. Guys, I don't know. Low key poly market. It's kind of insane. But I mean, there's no crazy news this week, so I'm not going to be checking poly market really. Okay, I'm here on the daily chart, NASDAQ. As you guys can see, our analysis played out pretty fucking accurate. Just sad that we didn't get this entry here in this zone. That would have been really nice. It did take this fib level here, which would be our first entry, but I was waiting for, you know, another tap in here, but unfortunately we didn't get it. That's okay. This just signals to me that we're gonna have a good week. So we did take this liquidity from November that we were looking at. It broke it even a little bit. I definitely think when market opens we're gonna come back to reclaim some sort of lows here, but yeah, this is gonna be a very interesting week. Yeah. Okay, let's take this shit out. Let's take the fib out. Okay, there we go. Yes, guys, we're in a fucking nasty accumulation here since September last year. I do see us maybe coming to this zone. We could take this out. I mean, with the war as well, it's difficult to know, but yeah, we are going to look for sells for the first couple of days. I would like for the market to come down here, take this, maybe we can bounce back up in here. There's nothing much new to the analysis because we are going to use most of the stuff that we've been using for the past 2 weeks. But yeah, I'm at the daily now. It's nothing too interesting. It's just unfortunate that we missed our move, but that's fine. Okay. We can definitely use this. This is a fucking massive NWOG and it's definitely going to be used again for something. Maybe we can tap into that. Tap into this level here. And then hopefully we can see some more bearish momentum. this would be like a key level for me to look for longs to go to all-time high, but with all this war that's going on now, I do see us coming even lower. Because NASDAQ's being manipulated very fucking hard. You know, with war like that, we're supposed to see the market come like this. This was the tariffs last year. When did it start? I think it started in March. Okay, so here's March. So with the tariffs, we went down. Tariff started in March. Oh, what am I doing? Here we go. Yeah, so the tariffs in March was 40,000 pips that we went down, and that was just for fucking tariffs. It did recover almost immediately, but that's what I'm saying, guys. NASDAQ's being manipulated the fuck out of it, so I'd like us to come down here, and then this could be a nice place to go for longs. That's what I'm seeing. We can even come a little bit lower here. This would also be a great zone to go long from. Because now with the war, we have been in a downtrend, but it's like it's very fucking slow. Very slow. Too much accumulation. I think we're gonna go lower, not gonna lie. So we're gonna try look for entries around here. Let me check if I can see anything else that could be of interest to us. I mean, this looks pretty solid. This is a good zone to go short from. I'd like us to take this out and this out. That would be very nice for us. And then from there, it will probably go all-time high again. Yeah. Well, that's it. There's nothing more I can see on NASDAQ. Let's check Bitcoin real quick. Yeah, Bitcoin's hectic. Last time I traded Bitcoin was in September 2024, and we back in those zones now. So that's pretty fucking crazy to see. Oil 97. I did catch some oil longs the other day, but I got stopped out. So this is where I want to re-enter in this zone, but we haven't really tapped it, as you guys can see. Basically, I'm just going to use the NWOG, and if it gets filled here on this red line, then I'd like to go long. So hopefully that comes. Maybe we can see oil short from here. Bang. And I think if this war is going to continue, oil will definitely like go to 150. But I'm not going to take any leverage trades with that. I'm just going to look at spot trading. Let's check S&P. Yeah, same story as NASDAQ. From what I'm seeing right now, just real quick, there's an NWOG there. This candle, big dirty candle, that needs to get filled again. So I don't trade S&P because it's basically the same as NASDAQ, but it does look a little bit different. Let's check gold a bit. I was trading gold a little bit last week. Went pretty well, just because I wasn't getting any setups on NASDAQ. Yo. This is the craziest movement we've seen in a long time on gold. Holy fucking shit. Low key, I'm gonna look to get some long entries on gold during the week. Also, I'm going to spot. Yeah, I can see an NWOG there. If we can fill that, that would be fucking great. From there, catch some longs. Let's go and reset chart view. Nothing too special on the FIB. Let's check NASDAQ. I haven't pulled a new FIB yet. Yeah, this is my... I'm going to show you guys my FIB settings now. This range. Usually we just go on a 4 hour. You take it from the lowest to the... from the lowest point to the highest point, or from the highest point to the lowest point, but it does look a bit choppy, not gonna lie. So I'm just gonna take it from this accumulation here, from the lowest to this point here, because this 61% level here matches up with the NWOG with this zone here, so that could be nice. How long do you think this war could last? Pretty fucking long, bro, because America and Israel are struggling a bit. They're not doing as well as they say they're doing. I think let's check poly market for that. We can get some. Let's check ceasefire. Okay, yeah, US Iran ceasefire buy. So poly market, most people are going for December 31. So yeah, that's hectic, not gonna lie. I think it'll be before December, but not anytime soon. Not anytime soon. Poly market gives you more or less an idea of what's gonna happen. So most people are going for December, which is gonna be hectic. I think, yeah, it's gonna be war for the whole year. Anyways, this is analysis. Not much has changed from the last analysis. I just added this extra zone here for this NWOG, and I drew a new FIB from here to here. This is my FIB settings, if you want to make it the same as mine. I'll just keep it up there for a little bit, take a screenshot or something. Yeah, I'm going to take the trend line off. That's the FIB settings. Doesn't work. This is a nice zone. I do like this zone. If we can catch longs from here, obviously we're not going to take trades just when it comes here. We have to look at how market reacts, and we have to look at the war a lot, because it is getting fucking hectic, and we must prepare for the petrol prices to go up a lot. I think most analysts are saying it's gonna go up by like 4.5 rand. Some are saying it's gonna go up until 6. I think diesel already, if I'm not mistaken, went up like 4 rand already, or like 3 rand. I haven't checked Germany 30 in such a long time. Let's check Germany 30 a little bit. This thing's coming for this NWOG. It hasn't been filled once. and there's lots of money that needs to be grabbed there, so that's definitely coming down up until there. Germany 40 is competing really fucking good with NASDAQ. Holy shit. Let's check US 30 as well. US 30's also been on a... When did the war start? Yeah, it's been on a downtrend ever since. So NASDAQ is... Oh, my friend just messaged me, diesel's still the same. Okay, but for next week or after next week, it's gonna go up by 4 rand. Yeah, NASDAQ is the only one that hasn't been fucking moving like it should be. Because war, I mean, Oaks, this shit sort of came here like a long time ago. US 30 is at least not as manipulated. But yeah, guys, that's the analysis. Just going to be looking at NASDAQ next week. Going to look at gold a little bit as well. But for gold, we're not going to take any leverage trades. I'm just going to spot buy gold sometime pretty soon. Yeah, I hope you guys had a lucky weekend. And check you guys on the markets tomorrow.